Hey YouTube, Joby from Oz. So this is a couple of holes, and that with the other 6 holes up there is going to bolt the lathe onto the table. The table being a massive beam of extruded aluminium, about 6mm thick, 8mm thick belly. So after struggling a bit around the other side here to support the motor off the back of the machine, Bruce and I came up to the clever decision, well mostly Bruce did, is we'll just put the motor straight on the base, clamp the lathe onto the base, and that'll sort out all of the belt issues. So today it's getting bolted down. I'll bring you back. Well, it looked really good. All the holes lined up, which meant I actually put them in the right spot. And I went to put the last ones in, and of course Murphy got me. So do I chop them, or do I just pull the box off? It's only a few bolts to pull this off, so I'll probably just pull this off. Bring it back. Got the bolts in now, and again, position was great, so it's all good. And in case you hadn't seen it before, that there is my oil feed, because the oil comes from up there. Underneath this section, my oil feed distribution, just to keep general oil down into that bearing from the top. Fun, fun, fun. So the gearbox did have to come off, but that was a really easy thing to do because I haven't got any lead screws or feed screws or anything on there. So the lathe is now officially bolted to the table. Table's bolted to the legs. It's pretty much lathe all the way down. Alright, time to put the gearbox and the cover back on, and let's see if we can get this mounted up. Motor mounted up. So, under its own steam, backwards, because of course I've swapped the motor around. Showing it 6.4 Hertz. Number 2 and the low should be 160 at full whack. So I'll drill a couple of holes, bolt this down, and see how we go. I'll swap the wiring around as well. Right, I've got a couple of points marked. Time to drill some holes. Okay, pilot holes in, a bit more trefoil X. Final finish size drill. Here we go. Alright, 2 holes. Okay, so the holes are tapped, they're lovely. And of course, we have a clearance problem. Short one's too short, long one's too long, so I'm going to have to chop them. Probably leave about, take about 10mm off them, about to there. Rock and roll, bring it back. YouTube, this is it. We're about to test fire it. The motor is mounted on the bench, belt is run, the lathe is bolted to the bench. Alright. Again, we're in low gear on number 2, so it should be 160 or 640 depending on the input pulley, but we do have the VFD. We're currently at 6.37. Let's see everything go bang. Hey! That's top speed at the VFD. Doesn't appear to be any rubbing. Bit of noise coming through the box. And highest speed is in 1. So this is the lathe going that's at 33%. It's at half top speed. Hey, that's looking beautiful. Milestone achieved. Now I probably want to get the on-off switch running off the carriage lever. So the lever that goes in here drives into the switch to go forwards and reverse and stop. Also like to get a brake resistor on the VFD. Mate, we got a movement.